Today we're going to be reviewing the Ozark Trail Camping 7-piece tool set. Let's get it. Earlier I did the 12-piece camping set. And all in all, it wasn't too bad. Ozark Trail makes some crappy stuff. Sometimes they make some good stuff. And the last set I did, I wouldn't say it was crappy, but I wouldn't say it was the best either. Here you got a little tiny lantern. I tested, but the sun's out. I won't be able to tell how bright it is. Comes with two little hooks to hang it, which is pretty neat. Comes with the batteries for everything that's in here. For the lantern, there's a flashlight, there's a headlamp. We'll see that in a minute. You got a little paracord bracelet with a whistle. I'm assuming it's probably 8 feet long. Paracord's always good to have in any situation. You got a little handheld flashlight, push button, LED light. Again, can't test it, it's too bright. Maybe in the summer when I go camping, I'll test them out again. Got a little mug. Oh, it comes with a lid, that's cool. An aluminum cup with a lid. I didn't think it had a lid to it. You got a headlamp. 3 LEDs. Can swivel up and down. Oh, okay. You got a little pocket knife. Which is always good to have. Oh, wow, look at that. I didn't know all this. The pocket knife has a little flashlight. Yeah, a little flashlight. A fire steel. A little glass breaker. A little seatbelt cutter. I like that. That is nice. Feels like hard plastic though. Oh, it even comes with a little bottle opener when you close it. Wow. It's a multi-tool pocket knife. Huh. Maybe I'll start carrying this around with me for a little while, see how it works. Then you got a 5-liter dry bag. I'm not going to take it out, but it's waterproof. Probably big enough to hold a decent amount of stuff. But this is always good to have when you're camping. You want to keep your gear dry. So, and this set cost me 15-20 bucks for this, for all this. Not too bad. Any more than 20 bucks though, I probably wouldn't have bought it. Like I said, I think it cost me 15 bucks. But all in all, not too bad for $15. Alright guys, well that'll do it for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, you know, all that good crap. See you in the next one.